My name is Brandy Bennett, and I'm the Career Technical Education Director at Sandusky High School.
I'm Eric Talbot, so I'm right now the Director of Leadership and Innovation for the district.
Sandusky High School is very unique because we're a comprehensive school, and what that means is that we have career tech embedded in the school, so students are able to take English and math during the day and then head over to their construction program in the afternoon. So it's an incredible opportunity for students.
When this project started, I was the high school principal, and then now to see it coming to fruition, it's pretty exciting.
Our goal is to be the premier computer science school in the region. Students don't know what a data center is, and when you guys came over to us and started talking about, the employment opportunities and everything that could come from this, the kids were very excited. You guys also provided laptops for our students, and also we've been collaborating on the sculpture that's going to be out front.
As I look at this site, just physically, from the front of the high school, you look over here and you can see this, right? It's almost like an invitation to the future.
Along with jobs comes population growth. The growth of the data center and the growth of the businesses that will comprise the data center, around the data center, they'll be able to keep our population here.
We're blessed to have it.